Model: 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 316 CDI long wheelbase, none runner spares OR repairs body, white, fridge panel van mileage, 323,506 engine, 2,143 CCOM 651 163 HPA transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner spins over fast and there is a clanging sound, timing chain has snapped. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. The fridge unit still works perfectly. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for